Welcome back to another embryology time with Mr. Mason. Today we are going to talk about the development of our embryo inside of our egg. The way we're going to do that is using a couple different visuals. At the end, we're going to take our eggs, like I promised, and we are going to candle them and we're going to see inside. But what we're going to do first is we're going to use this chart that illustrates how the development of an embryo goes. And we'll go over that real quick. So to start with, there are thousands of yolks inside of a mother hen. And every day, the largest yolk travels through her body, and when it does, it is incorporated and encompassed with an outside protective eggshell. So that's how it comes out here. Now these visuals are of each day afterwards. So this right here will illustrate the fact that the egg is fertilized and that the little dot on the germinal disc is present. When we move into here, we start getting our veins and our heart. On day 3, the egg has a heartbeat. And if we were to break open the bottom part of our egg, we could actually see that heartbeat. So as the days have progressed, we have now moved and gotten bigger and bigger. There is a head and a torso. And on day 7, where we're at currently, there is a head. The body of the chicken kind of looks like a question mark. There are eye sockets that are developed, so when we candle the eggs, we'll be able to see that. And then the body, which is about the size of Mr. Mason's tip of his pinky finger. Now, we also have some eggs here that illustrate what each day looks like in growth of the chicken. All right, so as we open up our eggs, we can see that on day 1, there is the germinal disc. The egg has been fertilized. On day 2, not a lot else has changed except for the veins have started to grow, which are the red lines. By day 3, there is a heartbeat, so the heart is now beating and it is pumping blood to all the veins. By day 4, the veins have continued to grow bigger and bigger, and the body is starting to form. We can see on day 5 that the body has made, remember the question mark shape? These are the 2 eye sockets. The eyes have not fully developed yet. On day 6, we are starting to see the elongation of the legs that are starting to form. The wings have not yet started to form yet. And where we are at is today we are on day 7. As you can see, the neck has separated from the body. The wings have started to be created and the legs are starting to elongate. So this is what it would look like if we were to break open our eggs and look at the embryo right now. Now this isn't the size. Remember, these chicks are much smaller than that. They're actually the size of Mr. Mason's tip of his pinky finger. They don't take up the whole size of that egg. When we take a look at our eggs, we are going to look for the following things. First, we're going to look for the air cell. The air cell is always at the bottom of the egg. It is always easy to discover in the dark room because it is the lighter side. And by that I mean there is no liquid, so it is a clearer color and it's easy to distinguish. The next thing that we're going to look at when we look at it is we're going to be turning the egg. Since the egg is hanging off the chalazions and attached to the yolk, the embryo moves around in the egg. So we have to turn the egg so that we can see it pop up and go down. When we look, we're going to look for a dark color and we're going to look for 2 eye sockets. All right, so as you can see, we are in a dark room and we are candling our egg. The first thing that you'll notice is right down here, there is a lighter color, and that's because that is the air cell. Remember, the only thing there is the air. The albumin or egg white fills up the rest of the egg. Now as I slowly turn the egg, it's going to be kind of hard to see, I understand, but look right around there. And as you'll see, a dark spot will pop up and go down. It's moving because it's floating in the albumin, but that's the chick going to the top and the bottom of the egg right now. Okay? This has been Embryology with Mr. Mason. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. And keep up the good work and look forward to some more videos coming.